Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the Kamar Arifin. Now our group will present about our network automation project, which is OSPF network automation with connectivity check using Netmiko. So our groups consist 4 members, which is Muhammad Izwan bin Azizun, Ilyas Nawawi bin Abdul Malik, Putra Aira Aifa binti Kamarul Saha, and myself, Intan Nurliana binti Aziz. So now, we're going to start with introduction, background or study. Nowadays, an organization requires a better IT system operation in order for them to seize the market advantages. This is because rapid growth in IT going to occur a few problems such as human error, which is caused network failure. In order to solve this problem, network automation is one of the way. Network automation can be defined as a method to automate network security supplying and management to fully utilize network efficiency, reduce human error, or lower operating expenses. In our project, we demand to develop a network automation using Open Shortest Path First or SPF with automated connectivity test program. In this project, it will automate configure every router's in the network, connectivity check, and do tasks such as elections, validating the routers. In order to develop this project, we use Netmiko framework, which is multi-vendor SSH Python library. So now what is OSPF? OSPF is acronym for Open Shortest Path First. This protocol is used to find the best and the shortest route to exchange the source and destination of the router. This protocol uses a routing tables. In order for them to calculate the routing tables, it's use shortest path first, SPF or Dijkstra algorithm. Now we go to the methodology.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Putra Aira binti Kamarul Saha. So, as our project, we'll be using Netmiko to automate this test. What is Netmiko? Netmiko is a Python library that simplifies the process of connecting to network devices using SSH. For example, to issue a command to a network devices and obtain the written data, there are a few things that we need to do to achieve this. So, firstly, set up an SSH connection, then understand the command prompt string for the given devices and vendor. After that, issue the command and then perform the necessary string handling to understand when the devices has finished sending its response. Lastly, handle the various nuances that come with string handling such as paging and terminal reads. Moving on to automate connectivity test known as ICT is another feature of this project. ICT is a tool that we are using to analyze the connectivity between network endpoints. Automate connectivity test is used to automate the ping of all ends devices in the network. To verify the OSPF configuration, one network can ping another devices in another network. How to run automatic connectivity tests? ACT can be run by executing a Python script into the network. How to run a Python script into the network? I'll pass this to Izwan. He will be the one who did the demonstrations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izwan. Now I will do a demonstration about our project, which is OSPF network automation and automatic connectivity test. First, I will do a demonstration for OSPF configuration. As you can see here, this is our network topology. We have 3 routers, 3 PCs, 3 switches, and 1 net server that connected to our VM here. Okay, there is no configuration done yet in every devices except for interfaces fast internet 00 on 3 routers here, because we need these interfaces for our virtual machine to establish SSH connection to the routers, right? I will prove to you guys there are no configuration done yet here, as sending a command show IP interface brief. See, there is no interface and there is no IP address assigned to the other interface except for fast internet 0. There are also no configuration for OSPF. I will show you show IP OSPF, and it's blank because there are no configuration done yet. Now, since there are no configuration, we will run a Python script on the every router to set up the network automation. I will open my VM here. I will sorry, let me clear this. I will search for our file. I will show you the first file, which is host nano host. This file store information about the routers, about the IP address, on all the configuration about interfaces and Ospf. Next, we go to Ospf script first. This is our main script that we want to run. So there are functions that connected to our routers. There's a function to configure IP address, and there's a function to configure SPF, and down here this is a main function here. So that's all for the script. Okay, now we will run the OSPF configuration. Python 3 OSPF. It will start configure router 1 first. It might take a while. I will time lapse this video if it take a while. Now it start configured. Now we'll see on the router 1 it update every it go to the router 3. Start configured. Okay, on the router 3 it will update. See, now if it take a while, we will see the election of BR and PDR. Wait a minute. Now see, it started election here on the router 1, on the router 2, and the router 3 here. We will wait until it finish. And now it's finished. We will show here IP or SPF neighbor. See, on router 1 it recognize the neighbor. On the router 2 also the same. Sorry, also the same. So the OSPF has been configured on 3 routers. If we show IP root OSPF, so the router has learned about to another network, same as router 1 and router 2. So this is how network automation work on the OSPF network. So this is for OSPF configuration. Next we will go to the automated connectivity test or ping test. Okay, now I will do a demonstration for our automatic connectivity test or ping test to the every PC in the network, right? Before that, I will show you if the OSPF work or not. We go to the PC 1. If we ping to network 2, I think .10 is we want to ping from this PC PC 1 to the PC 2. If the ping successfully, it means that our SPF configuration has been configured. We will ping here. As you can see, the packet successfully being sent to the PC 2. Now I will run the automatic connectivity test using our VM here. We will list our file. So as you can see, this is our file. I will show you to you guys. Auto connect test by. So this is our script for connectivity test. Every router will ping a same PC. As you can see here from this loop here, it ping from router 1 ping PC1, router 2 ping PC1, and router 3 ping PC1. SMS for another PC, for PC2 and the PC3 here. Alright, I will run the command here, python 3 auto. So R1 will ping VPC1. If ping success, it will show the ping successfully. It take a while. Router 2 ping PC1, ping successfully. Router 3 ping PC1 successfully. Right, the ping keep continuing until PC3 done. Alright, okay, to know whether Ospf is working or not, all the PC can be pinged from the routers. That means every router has learned about another network also. So this is our demonstration for our project. So thank you for giving me a chance to do this project and demonstrate this. Alright, thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ilyas Nawawi bin Abdul Malik. Today I'll be concluding the whole presentation. So as a conclusion, network automation will give many benefits to the user in improving IT infrastructures due to network complexity. Network automation helps businesses to save time and money and make the processes more flexible and agile. Not just that, it also can reduce the human error issue and inefficient network. So as demonstrated by Ezwan, the network automation plays a huge role in our daily lives, and without a doubt, this network automation will be the next thing in the coming future, inshallah. Thank you very much for watching our presentation, and thank you to our lecturer. Thank you everyone.